In this class, we will discuss how to import Excel or CSV file in Python, how to get information about the data, how to see column names of the data, how to see number of rows in the data, how to see top 5 and top bottom data points. So let's open the Jupyter. So this is my Jupyter notebook. The first thing you need to do is import your NumPy and Panda library, right? So in this case, please write import NumPy as NP, and in second line write import pandas as PD. So what we are doing, we are importing our libraries NumPy and pandas. And what do you mean by as NP or as PD? So basically, I don't want to write always NumPy or pandas. I will write NP whenever I need NumPy, and I will write PD whenever I need pandas. So import NumPy as NP means I need to write NP, and the Python Jupyter notebook will understand, okay, I am demanding NumPy library, right? So in this case, please write down import NumPy as NP, import pandas as PD. And why we are importing these two libraries? Because in the case of data analysis, we need these two libraries for the time being. Yeah. Okay. Now the question is how to import data in Excel file. You need to write df, that is nothing but your data frame. You can put any name here. So I have taken df. You can put Sahil, you can put xyz. So you can put any name here, right? And all you need to do is put equals to time, equals to sign, and write pd means pandas. So in pandas there is a function called read excel, right? So all you need to do, df equals to pd dot, just write read and press tab. As soon as you press tab, you can see we can PD can read CSV file, Excel file. There are various versions that PD can read. So since my data is in Excel, I want to read it Excel. So I'm writing PD read underscore Excel, and I'm pressing enter here. After that, brackets, and now I need to give it the path where my data lies, कहाँ से उसको import करना है, from where it should import, right? So in this case, let's say my data is here. All I need to do is just go to the properties, and you can see location, copy that, and all you need to do is just paste that here. But please remember that in this case you will get one flag backslide sign. You need to put two. So in this case I'm putting two signs. After downloads, you need to tell the Python which or what is your file name. So in this case my file name is this. I'm just copy pasting that. After this you need to put inverted commas. So I'm putting inverted comma here, inverted comma here, and just press shift and enter. So since I have already uploaded it, I need to press shift and enter. So here, press shift and enter. Now in this case, press shift and enter. Now the question is how to get information about the data, right? Up, since obviously you need to read the data, you need to see what is your data and how it is looking, how data is looking. So in this case, please write df.info, and obviously bracket open bracket close, and I'm just pressing shift and enter. As soon as you press shift and enter, you can see there are various columns, and in this case it is denoting whether this is null value or non-null value. So in this case they are denoting us non-null values, right? The count of non-null values and the data type. So in this case the first column is row number, right? In this case there are 10,000 entries, and all these entries are non-null. which is a good thing. That means there is no missing value. Similarly, we have customer ID, surname, credit score, geography, gender, age, tenure, so on and so forth, right? And here the data type: integer, object, float, so on and so forth. Yeah. Now, if I need to see uh, how many, so what are the column names? Obviously, we can see column names from here, but there is some special formula as well. Write on df dot columns and press shift and enter. You can see we have row number, customer ID, surname, credit score, geography, gender, age, so on and so forth. Yeah. The next is how to get information about rows. All you need to write is just df dot index, press shift and enter. In this case, the range index is starting from 0 and it is stopping at 10,000, which means it has 10,000 data points and the step is equals to 1. Now, what do you mean by step? In this case, step means 1, 2, 3. If step is equals to 2, it means that 1, 3, 5, so on and so forth, right? In this case, we have 10,000 data points. Now, how to see top 5 data points? All you need to do is write down df dot head, then bracket open bracket close. As soon as you see, as soon as you press shift and enter, you can see first is row number. Obviously, we have row number, customer ID, surname, credit score, geography, age, tenure, balance, number of products, has credit card, so on and so forth. But these are only top 5 data points. Let's say you want to see top 15, all you need to write in bracket 15 and then press shift and enter. Now you can see 15 data points, right? Similarly, how to see bottom 5 data points? All you need to write df dot tail bracket open bracket close, shift and enter. As soon as you do that, you can see bottom 5. Let's say you want to see bottom 9. All you need to put 9 here, shift and enter, and this is how you can see.